Hi dears, here's a video about the GoPro Hero 6, which is an adventure camera, and this one doesn't need the plastic housing that the other ones used to have. This one's already waterproof. But there's a few little problems with it, so here we go. This video is in English, as you can hear. The other video, which is basically going to be the same, I've had a guest do it, Mr. German Man, and he will be doing that in German. So if your language is German, please have a little look at that. And now let's start with the English. So the GoPro Hero 6, this came out in September 2017. And as you can see, here is with the grey writing, and then we've got the most modern one, but it's still the same product, and that is from December 2017, and he is colourful here. So that's how you can see the difference. Now when you order them, we ordered these from Amazon, they cost €414 each, and we didn't know which one we were going to get. On the forums and reviews about them, there have been a few problems, and we've actually had those problems happen to us as well. So both cameras are a month old. We've had these 1 month only, and they've both frozen when the display is on, and they basically, you couldn't do anything. You couldn't stop it or do anything. The only thing you could do was take the battery out and take it out for a second and put it back in again, and it worked. That's happened twice with both cameras. The other problem has been, or it could be a problem too, if you think of it that way, is that the display here, and also when it's switched on, looks slightly yellow. With the slightly older model, the one with just the grey printing, it's basically looks yellow. Okay, one you could say is a warm light, and one is a cold light. I will try to show you that. I'll try and show you now on a white piece of paper. I can personally see that myself. I don't think it's going to be showing up. We'll just try and get out with the shadows, and I'll just have a little look. Don't know if you can see that or not, but there is a difference. There's a big difference. This one, the older model, is very much a gelb tone, a gelb tint, and this one is, you know, it's just like a normal white, yeah, you know, like white light, and this one's more yellowy, like the old, you know, the energy-saving bulbs. The old ones were like slightly yellow, and the new ones were slightly more white. So that's been a problem. If you think of it as a problem, I don't really know. The other thing that people have been talking about is that the battery compartment is hard to take out. This is the older one, and I found that too. So you press the button here, and then you slide it out. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way. Press the button and slide it out. That's quite difficult to do. And also the battery here is quite difficult to pull out. It does come out, but I suppose it's an adventure camera, isn't it? So those things have got to be hard to pull out. I'm just going to close it up now, and people have been pressing the button to try and close it. You don't do it like that. You pull it out like this, press it down like this, and push it in, and then it closes properly. So, and with the newer one, the problem is not so extreme. It's an easier one to get out. That's so easy. If that's a good idea, I don't know. But with the other one, the 2017 September one is slightly more difficult to do. Okay, so what else do we have for the problems with it? Can we just have a little look at my thing? I think that's about it, wasn't it? Yeah. Is that it? Yeah? Okay, so if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and watch the other one as well in German, just for fun. You can give that a like as well. Goodbye from Slash. Well, it's my favourite guitarist. This is a Funko Pop. Really cool, hey? And like I said, if you liked it, give me a like down here. Where's the like gone? Down there. And do subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye, guys.